Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Dr. Sparrow 24. I am here with my friends. Everyone get to their cars. We're having a car show.
Please. No.
Get into your cars, fix the cars. We're going to get this right.
Turtle, fix your car. Fix my car. I gave you access to it. You could stuff. No, you did. No. Move it in where it's not fine.
Move it in front of his, and that way.
Let me do.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. I'll move. Yeah, you go where I am. I'll be in front of you. Okay. Classic has the spot in front of me. You two got to set up. Yeah. Come back a little.
I'm going to park right behind the Z type.
Keep coming back until I say, yeah, you're good. You're good. Wait, go up like two. Put the RTs like twice. There you go.
Hey, how even am I with your car?
You have a big truck and you're actually dead center.
Am I really?
Yeah.
Sweet, I got it right on spot. All right. Z-Type, Team Epiphany there. Hello, hi. Back it up just a bit. Try and get it in line with Classic.
No, Z-Type has to scoot up.
Yeah, you might want to scoot up a little bit. You want to have the back.
Z-Type scoots up.
You want to have it back to back, practically.
Stop. Classic, you're good. Hurdle, come back. Stay where you're at, Hurdle.
Where the hell did you go?
And Z-Type.
Hey.
Like 3 scoots.
Fuck. Who just left? Fire. Wait, nope. Fire's there.
Wait. Keep going until I say stop.
Classic. 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 Get your car over here.
Come back a little. You're good.
It's got to be in line with. It's got to be right behind Hurdles. I am sorry, everybody, that we have to fix this. In the beginning of the video, people were being stupid. I'm not gonna name the stupid ones. Well, hey, if you get out a gun, Hurdle, get your butt back in the by the car. Hurdle. Hurdle.
Chill.
Get back here. Alright, we're about to start the car show.
Somebody made a smiley face out of burn marks.
Nice.
They'll fade away. You just try and line up. Come back. You gotta line up with mine and
Alright.
Barrel's car.
Fire type. Ah, jeez. Fire. Seriously though, you gotta get me. I need to. You need to let them know. I want to get into a lobby with them. That'd be fucking awesome.
I haven't really met the owners yet.
You should. You should look up. You should Jake TE Gamer, I believe Jake's was. Let him know. Send him a message.
Tell me, ask me about this later, because I'm gonna go to bed after this.
Okay. Anyways, everyone.
I mean, I don't know why they accepted me.
Wait, you had to be accepted into it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Alright, anyways, ladies. What we have here... Oh, God, the fog's rolling on. Alright, what we have here is... Hurdles Gauntlet. Nice, nice. What color is this, Hurdle?
I mean, I'm not the one that sent an invite to them. They sent an invite to me.
They sent it to you? Jeez. It looks gray with the black.
It's olive green and carbon black.
What'd you do? Wait, how'd you do that?
What, flashlight?
No. I don't need the flashlight. Anyways, alright. Next is Classic. Classic. What do you have here? This fine beauty.
I got the original blue color of the code kit.
All right.
This car is like all original. If you touch the car from the kit, you can see this picture. So I try to go for original.
And how much does this cost on the market? Not bad. All right. On to the Z-Type. I see we've got some money signs for whatever the fuck it was called again. All right. Seems like you're representing Team Epiphany. All right.
Yeah.
Tell me about your car.
Huh?
Tell me about your car.
The cost $950,000.
Damn.
Chrome and red,
All right.
and there's a lot of stuff under the hood.
There's a lot of stuff under the hood. All right. Good description. Good description. All right. Now, tell me, Captain. What was your plan about her?
Whoa.
Is this not a girl?
Yeah.
All right then.
Pink. Hot pink.
That's hot pink. That looks purple.
Yeah. Hot pink.
Jeez.
Hot pink.
All right. Anyways, tell me more about her. Tell me more. The audience wants to know. She is beautiful.
She's fat. She is beautiful.
I bet she is. If I had my adder, I'm pretty sure my adder would beat her, but sadly my adder had to call in sick. All right. Next off, we have hold on, not classic. Hold on. I'm going to try and see if I can get your name to pop up. All right. Anyways, Black Cairo. Tell me about her or him.
This is my favorite car. This is black and yellow Duster. Costs about $240,000.
Not bad.
Got everything under the hood from. Wow. And if I could, I'd probably put you guys in here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Nice. All right. Well, it seems like she's fit to be racing. All right. And now we have my car. Now, this costs about $250,000, I believe it was. She is cooped up to be the toughest of the bunch. I'm not sure if she could beat some of these cars in a race, but I'm pretty sure she could beat at least a few of them. She is a Dubsta. I'd never underestimate this Dubsta. She likes to rock climb. She is a beaut. A beautiful beaut. Alright, so now here's the thing. Everyone can get in their cars.
Well, anyway, some people are being
Alright, once Hurdle gets in his car, we are going to have a race to the special crate. Actually, it's still on the map. Alright. Well, there's always a try. Anyways, make sure you guys mark it on the map. Yeah.
Do we only use our car? Do we fight or do we use our car?
There will be no cheating. He's getting to his car right now.
Hurdle's in a helicopter. Do you want me to drive? He's in a bug.
I see this. Alright.
Crash landing. I said it with the title. Doing this before.
Alright. Here's the deal.
No.
The one...
What are you doing?
The one that gets to the crate with a good-looking car still gets the prize. That's how this race is gonna go.
Wait, hold on. No weapon.
Yeah, no weapons, no cheating. That's considered cheating.
This is my cell phone. I'm trying to call someone, but I have no signal.
All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
On your mark. Get set. Let the game begin.
Oh, what? The Z-Type fast?
And don't underestimate Z-Type. As long as you know how to handle her, she could beat you.
Yeah? Are you? I should have got this.
You know what? But no, I give up.
Of course.
I'm
Yo,
out. Look, I've been dead last.
Can I get a plane?
Nope.
No.
It's a car. Car race only. To the prize.
Plane race?
But what if I drive plane on the ground?
Nope.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Not really.
Yeah.
It's still considered a plane. And you'd probably blow up.
Go.
Oh yeah. We also would have to clear the other challenge is to clear the area of the guys that are protecting it.
You guys want to like give me the money off of the guy?
Oh, yeah, there are guys protecting you.
Yep.
Whoa. That Captain?
Oh.
Armed smugglers. Alright, well, since the armed smugglers picked it up, you guys still have it on the map. Yeah.
What?
You still have it locked on the map, right?
Yep.
Alright.
Yeah, I do.
We'll just go to the area since the armed smugglers picked it up.
Goddamn.
And then next crate the winner can take it. Of course, if the winner is there. Otherwise it'll go to second place.
Oh.
I'm coming for you, Delta.
I did not mean to do that. I'm sorry, Captain. You can hear this. So far, Sparrow's in first.
Yeah.
Do not never underestimate the Dust.
I told you, don't underestimate her. Otherwise she'll
I never
whoop.
did. No, hold on. You were climbing mountains. That's cheating.
I'm not even climbing mountains.
Oh, come on, you guys. I can get you something. Come on. Oh, God.
Wait, how am I in third?
No kidding, not right now.
Hold on, can I climb land? Yeah, but we should have did that.
Should have. We're earning money then. Oh. There we go, man.
Alright. Be free. Come on.
Sorry. He kind of got beat up in the process.
Jeez. Alright. Alright. So, I only have a few scratches. Jesus Christ.
I have.
I kind of did that to him.
Oh. I can't even tell if you have any scratch. Wait, I think I see a line going across.
Dude, if you look on my front, the whole
Hold on. Croquette might win.
First.
I think Classic has it.
Hold on, wait. I'm not there yet. You don't know.
Z-Type's got windows broken.
Busted light. I already know I'm out of it.
Busted back. Yeah, you are definitely out of it, sadly.
He's definitely out of it. He's definitely out of it.
Well, he's not in the race anymore. Alright, so I only have a few scratches. Z-Type has got dents and broken windows and shit like that. I feel like the front of your car kind of it got bent a little. You got broken windows. All right. Oh yeah, you got broken windows. Video. Anyway, doing a car show.
Hey, I'm just saying, I'm protecting these guys.
All right, Liza. She just made the camera get knocked over. All right. Broken windows here. Guys. I don't know.
I think Classic.
But he's got broken windows as well. You got no. The back windows are broken.
Everybody get in their car and turn the lights
on. Hurdle doesn't have a car anymore. Why are you trying to get in mine?
Your lights are busted. Your lights are all busted.
I've got the Shining. I only have scratches. And that's on the scratches are actually on the front too. There, I put them back on lows.
Whoever blue car that is, he's the one that fucked up my front end.
Alright, guys, I'm sorry for the ball of light on my TV. It is because my sister, moved where my camera was placed. aka the phone. So I'm holding it in my hand right now. Yeah. Pretty much. I'm gonna try and put this back, make sure the light's on the side, but make sure it's back to where people can see everything.
I'm pretty sure who's ever driving that black yellow car is out. He's just missing a freaking door.
Missing a door, windows. Alright, so I just fell from a distance. Yeah.
Can I get a ride?
You want to come down here? Oh. Well, if you can get down here, I'll give you a ride. Actually, you know what? I'm going to mountain climb. Nope, not doing that. That thing just bounced me back. Alright. Where are you? Oh, you're still there?
Right in front of you.
I'm gonna go back up there and jump off because that was awesome.
I made it up.
Alright. Alright. Does anyone want to say anything in front or to the camera? So say something.
Hey guys, I gotta go.
Alright. I'll see you later, dude.
Alright, good night everybody in the world who's watching this video.
Don't forget to let your friends know and shit like that. In case they want to watch videos that are stupid.
I try to look up your account. YouTube. I couldn't find it.
All right. I'll
Doctor.
It's just my gamer tag, no spaces.
All right.
Otherwise, that brings you to something weird.
Oh no, I'm gonna land in that pool. God dang it, I'm right though.
What are you talking about? Stuck. God damn it. Alright, that is all for today, ladies. I did make another video recently, so I will see everyone later. Goodbye, and hopefully I'll be able to make better equipment. What? Say it now. Speak now or forever hold your silence. Kind of got it trapped. They're stuck right now. Swear to God, you blow me up, I kill you.
I need to get up to where I can face the front of your face.
Oh shit. Make it fast. Wait, Black, when did you get out? Because he wants revenge. Oh god.
Wow.
And it apparently it said Black killed you.
Oh god.
Yes, say something. Speak.
Do I get all the way over there?
My truck's stuck. I can't really do shit.
Aaron, we should face the camera behind you.
I already have the camera facing behind me right now. Yes, I see you. You're like right. Oh shit. And with that, we end it.